Hello everyone, have you PinChat today? Here we're gonna teach you how to create and use PinChat survey. Click the edit button of the link where you want to create a survey. Click on advanced settings and then select survey settings. Click create survey below. Next, you need to give the survey a name. You will be able to send out this survey within the chat room during your conversation. Please note that only one survey can be activated for each PinChat link. So, naming the survey will help you manage surveys more easily. For the single keyword trigger, you can set up a keyword to activate this survey. You can design a workflow to allow PinBot to trigger this survey via text input. Or you can ask the user to input this keyword to trigger the survey through a welcome message. The thank you message is a feedback message sent to users who complete the survey. Here, I simply inserted thanks. Click Add Question to start editing the contents of this survey. You'll see the questions added here. Click Edit. You can choose multiple choice, 5-star rating, or user input as the type of this question. For multiple choice, you need to set up the options for users to choose from. For 5-star rating, you only need to ask the question, and users can rate the result of your question. For user input, users can provide their comments or feedback based on your question. Click Save after you finish this question. You can add multiple questions according to your requirements or business scenario. Click Save Survey after you finish all the settings. If you have more than one survey, you need to confirm which survey is currently activated. Let's move to the chat room and see how the survey works. During your conversation, you can click the Send Survey button below, and the survey will be sent out. Customers can complete the survey, and all the results will be stored in the dashboard. Click Data Analysis in the Survey Setting tab, and you'll see the results. Use PinChat to collect feedback and engage your prospect seamlessly.
PinChat, the on-demand chat tool.